in the figure, AB, this line, is parallel to CD, this line. And they said that DAB is 74 and EDC is 122. So this EDC is this one, it does not include this one. And they're asking us to find EDA, which is this. This is the question mark they're looking for. So let's try to strategize. In order to find this one, okay, I need to find this one and I need to find this one. So because angles at a point, right, the total angle add up together will be 360 degrees. So as long as we can take 360 degrees to minus this 122 and minus this angle, we will be able to find this one. So the only thing that we're missing is actually this. So how do you find this one? Now, you realize that these two are parallel lines. So for parallel lines, right, okay, I'm going to extract this portion out. Okay, it will look something like this. And these two are parallel. And this one is 74. Correct? So there's this angle. If the two lines are parallel, right, these are called interior angle. This is like a cave, right? Okay, the two angles inside will add up to 180 degrees. This is actually what we call interior angles. This is an interior angle, this is an interior angle. It's like inside a cave. That's why it's called interior angles. And they will add up to become 180 degrees. Which means that in order to find this, I have to take 180 degrees minus 74 to find this one. So, in order to find ADC, which is this one, so I'm going to write angle ADC would be 180 minus 74, giving me 106. And the reasoning would be interior int dot angle. So now this entire thing we have 106. We have this, and then we will take 360 degrees minus 122 and minus 106 in order to find this one. So angle EDA would be 360 minus 122 minus 106. Now let's just use the calculator to do this. 360 minus 122 minus 106, and that will give me 132 degrees. Okay, and the reasoning for this one will be angle at a point PT is 360 degrees. Alright, so this is actually how you do it. So for parents who are watching this, remember to teach them the reasoning and the abbreviation. This is an abbreviation for interior angles. This is an abbreviation for angles at a point. So remember to teach them this one and to strategize with them first before you all start doing. There are some videos of mine where I strategize, there are some videos where I don't bother strategizing because some of them are too easy. So if you are teaching your kids using my method, right, you have to sense what's the ability of a kid. If your kid has some difficulty doing the strategizing, right, so guide him through the strategy first. So that will be able to help him to do problem solving for angles question. Alright, done.